loves, welcome back to the Sparks Within, a space where we explore self-awareness, inner power, and the magic of becoming your higher self, one spark at a time. I'm your host, Mary Snyder, aka I'm a Scene, and today we are going deep. We're talking consciousness, science, and how your awareness shapes your reality. Let's get into it. Ever heard of the double-slit experiment? If not, buckle up because today's episode is about to be lit. So here's the tip. Physicists once conducted a simple but mind-blowing experiment using tiny particles like electrons. They fired these electrons at a wall with two small slits. Now, if electrons behaved like tiny balls, they should simply go through one slit or the other and make two straight lines on the screen behind it. And that is not what happened. When no one was measuring or observing the electrons, they created an interference pattern, meaning they behaved like waves of possibilities. They spread out, they explored multiple outcomes at once. Reality was not fixed. Then scientists tried observing the electrons, and boom! The moment the electrons were observed, their behavior changed. They collapsed from waves of possibilities into particles, taking one straight path, creating two clear lines on the screen. The act of observation created a specific reality. And this is where science meets consciousness. If an electron changes its behavior because it's being observed, what does that say about us? The beings constantly observing, thinking, focusing, believing. It means this. We have more power over our reality than we think. Everything exists as potential until we observe it, choose it, believe it, and align with it. The future isn't waiting to be created tomorrow or next week. It's all available now in the field of possibilities. And your awareness, your focus is what collapses those possibilities into your lived experiences. With this understanding, we have to be intentional with what we allow to manifest in our lives. Because manifestation doesn't start with action. It starts with a thought, a feeling, a vibration, and then a physical reality. If you are not sure what you're currently collapsing into your reality, pause, breathe, observe your life like a scientist watching the experiment. What's happening around you? What patterns are showing up? What emotions dominate your day? Because you are the mirror of the universe. What you radiate is reflected back to you. And if you don't like what you're seeing, the beautiful part is you have the power to shift it. Not by forcing the outer world, but shifting your inner world, your perception, your feelings, your energetic states. So today, try something different. Think a new thoughts. Feel it from your core. Hold that frequency a little longer than you usually do. Become the observer who chooses, not the one who reacts. And soon you will notice small shifts, then big ones. Then your whole reality arranging in ways that match your energy. Because you, my friend, are not just living in the universe. You are co-creating with it. Thank you for tuning in to the Sparks Within podcast. If today's episode sparked an idea, a feeling, or a shift within you, carry that energy with intention because your awareness is your superpower. Remember, every thought you choose, every feeling you nurture is a step towards the reality you desire. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who needs a reminder of their own power. And don't forget to follow the podcast so you never miss the next pack. Until next time, keep observing, keep aligning, and keep igniting the fire within you. Bye.